We'll guide you through how to save a file on a computer. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my computer, and so you want to go and save a file. When you go and do this, it then means you can go and access it again in the future, go and use it, and potentially go and edit it again as well if you want to. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure it's this full guide. If you don't go and do this, and you can go and end up losing it, and then you don't have it anymore, and you can't have access to it. So let's go and dive straight into this. We're going to guide you through doing this with different applications, as it can vary a little bit on how it looks. Overall, the process is very similar, but I just want to go and explain what you need to go and know. So in this case, I'll guide you through doing it with Photoshop and also Notepad, but you could do this with Word, Excel, you go and get the idea. So when you're ready to go and do this, what you need to do is go and head to the top left of the app or program. Find the option for File, you can see right up in the top left, and you can click on it. You could do the same thing, for example, in Notepad. Go to the top left and press File. Now what you're looking for is the option Save As. So let's press it, go down, and we can go and find Save As, and you want to go and click on it. You'll then go and get this pop-up, and your file browser will go and open up, and you can then choose you want to go and save it. I'll go and put it on my desktop for this example. You can do the same thing in Notepad, press File, go down and press Save As, and you'll get this pop-up. For example, in Word, you go and get taken to a page, then you can go and press Browse, and then you can go and choose it in the File Explorer. A bit of an extra step with the Microsoft programs, but it's still possible. Then what you can do is choose where you want to go and save it and give it a name. I can name this GuideRealm Test. Then you can go and press Save. And of course, I could do it in Photoshop as well. And then after you've saved it, you can go and see it's where I saved it, which is my desktop.